Uwi dekat ke kenhun Pynbthei na Bangladesh, haka kadar trip nailar hajar pusan ulah Kawang negi Tiar Pynbthei ki Paidbah agatan Conjoy haga district Southwest Khasi Hills kat bagi Paidbah kidang mut an kemeu. Kita long kubor negi pulit ke Southwest Khasi Hills ki tho bagi Paidbah ke Conjoy kli i wei pat Runar uba kila suba ude unang Bangladesh ha Conjoy haka bagi Pyrshang man kemeu. Henry ulalat ban petnosh ke bagi klau ke berben bat bagi Paidbah ki Pyrshang ban be bat kemeu. Itu bunu Runar ulah Kawang da art li Tiar Pynbthei syaki Paidbah. Itu rubu wei na pedang gini bom ulah Pynbthei Katba wei pat shimla Pynbthei dan bok bom shimla dan manumur mensau gane ke jingja. Nagaliang ki pulit ke Southwest Khasi Hills kila pentip syaka bom squad bala itu bagian sapoish gane ke jaka ban penti kenai ni ujat Tiar Pynbthei bala penkam daun Runar. Itu ru batang marayo jengtip bala gane ke jingja ki pulit ka thanat nong helam bagi sipai BSF kila hiar marmar segala kejaka bagi penlong ya kejing kendra kebajur rengkat kejing erap jadi Paidbah nok sok senong. Hendrai haduk beliau ini kubor kim shimlalap satya ini Runar bat kedau kelong bagi puet bagi sipai BSF ya kenduk sibun kejing ya kejing tuat gini Runar nama kejing jur slap bat kumjuk kejing reben palat ulu kendau hakene katan. Itu rubu ni Runar ubalalat pet salit nak ketiga Paidbah ulah bandai ubi ajing kai kam Tiar siat bat Tiar Pynbthei. Pada nujor bat gen remut ki wei pat ki blas akem hagini gisni ki balalen. Kita long kubor nagathan ki tho ba kejing sya tombor, kejing sya rabor ba kejing Pyrshang man penyap inu samla na kesnong rong dangai ubal serang ia marak dangshan kelepen bitar ki Paidbah jangathan Conjoy. Kita long kubor ki tho ru ba haga khatwei tarik ki Paidbah ganathan ki li wei u Runar basuba bedai unang Bangladesh akan ikatan. Mereka mela benut pat dan kami Runar nomor budan ya Tiar siap. Menteri Rangba kejela Meglayau Conrad kongkal sangma. Haga kalai terik nailar hajar pusan ulong ba kibalawan mantombor gibriau haga jaka kaput ke badan haga district Southwest Khasi Hills. Kidai ki Runar ki banagari Bangladesh ke bertemu ban rabor bat kumba kapau hudu mentah ke jing tokit kapau syai bagi ki Runar bat ki pulit gidang tokit gini ki Runar na Bangladesh. Bani osyuk ki jing tip ki bapaka kamtam haba kilayo ru yak identity card jong wei pulit keri Bangladesh. Bat kumta ompat laban kedau bagi ni ki Runar jadi kebelah hak da ke sarkar Bangladesh. Menteri Rangba ulong bagi pulit kelio kem ya bungut ki Runar ki badan keti haga kam Pyrshang ra abor weu samla bat pen mensau yu bat ban penstam daga beteng ki kat kom ki kendon an kari. Haga bede bagi jingi okurup wei ka identity card pulit na Bangladesh Menteri Rangba ulong bagi pulit kidang toket beniak la kadai ka identity card ke basisha ne ke basusna thok. Ule tu ru bula dak pentep ikene ke jingja sya ketenat home affairs ke sarkar pedeng. Bat sya ketenat sentiat IB ke sarkar pedeng bat ke sarkar kelapan klanyi ki bor pahara ke jaka kaput ban ajing era jing singan ki dong song snong bat kini beteng ru ban pet ngor bha ya kethan kaput bat kari Bangladesh.
Latest reports and the information that we have received as of now after all the investigations done that these were a group of dacoits. This is the latest information. We are still digging and trying to find out more information because obviously there were some ID cards and all found. So we want to ensure that all those aspects are eliminated or options are eliminated. But as of now, as I said, the information that we received, they are a group of dacoits. And as you know that one of the people was there who was being kidnapped and was badly injured. And now we have caught most of the people who are involved in this and very strict action is being taken. And we have increased the presence of the manpower out there so that there is more security and safety for our people. And we will examine and re-examine the overall security issue out there to ensure that these kind of incidents don't happen in the future. As mentioned, from whatever preliminary reports and the investigations that we've conducted till date, it seems, as I said, to be a group of dacoits. And so therefore we don't expect that this is something that is kind of a organized kind of a crime, but individuals who are involved in the dacoit process. But nonetheless, we cannot be complacent, and therefore we will take all the steps necessary to ensure the safety and security of our citizens in the border area.
Have you informed about this incident to the central government so that they can give any assistance?
I have not spoken directly, but through the official channels, we have informed the IB as well as MHA regarding this incident and all the updates that have come in. And the IB and MHA is very much aware of this incident.
How many of these Bangladeshi nationals are here?
The initial reports that I received, that there were about 7 to 8 of them is what we received in the initial parts. I could be incorrect because the latest reports are not with me, but as per the last reports that I got, and large number of them have been nabbed. I think maybe about 1 or 2 more are missing, and they're still in the hunt for them and searching for them. And the reports that I got from the local people, because I'm in touch with the local people directly also, and they were telling me that as far as the information they have is that these people are actually completely lost also. So they went into the forest area and they couldn't find their way back. So they are somewhere in that area, and we have caught most of them. And I think whoever is left, 2 or 3 of them, whatever, they'll also be caught very soon. But as I said, I don't have the latest numbers with me, so I will definitely go with that caveat that my numbers may be wrong here and there a bit, but majority of them are already in action.
So
There are also attempts in different parts of the district, whether in East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest, and even in Garo Hills districts in Garo Hills.
No, there is no such reports as of now. The incidents only happened in Southwest Khasi Hills, and there are no reports as of now in other locations.